Okay, in part one of this, we showed how to make this box and how to make it flat. And now I'm going to show you one method of making tabs on, on this box. We have hems, but we need tabs. So here I'm going to go to the sketch tool. You choose this plane. You can square up so I can see what I'm doing using that, or right clicking and click normal to. I'm going to draw my tabs like that. Okay. We'd like to dimension. In our shop, we like tabs to be about 1/2 of an inch. Up there. It's a small box, but the reason we do 1/2 of an inch is because they don't bend very well. We don't have them at least that. And here's an angle number. 45 is going to be really steep, so I think I'll modify that to about 60. Do the same thing here. I'm doing 2 clicks. The 2 lines, I want the angle between. Oh, that's a tab. Good enough. I can also now sketch a construction line. You may or may not know that. It's right here. And I'm going to find the midpoint. Oops, I need to be in line and make it construction. And there's that orange square that pops up. That's showing it's the midpoint. I want to just make a little vertical line. I could come down a touch, but it doesn't have to. What that is the midpoint for our mirror command. So I can mirror this over here so I don't have to draw it again. So here's mirror, select mirror line, select entities to mirror, boom, boom, boom. Check mark. Okay, and then we say that we want to make tab and tab profile there and here, and you can see it pops up down here. I have to repeat that process on the other side. There's probably a simpler way to do that, but I don't know of it right now. So I'm going to go square here, sketch. What makes this a little simpler is I'm going to draw on this plane, and I can kind of snap to that existing tab I have. I guess it doesn't snap, but we can get close. And then I can mirror, to make my mirror line, which is the midpoint. We have to make sure we find the midpoint. There it is. That little gray box there shows I'm touching that line. This one shows it's the midpoint. There's a difference. See that? A little gray. This isn't required, but this makes it a little simpler to. I don't have to redraw. I can just mirror these. There they are. Check mark, and I can rotate. You'll be able to see here they are. I need to make those tabs. So tab. And it's asking me what's the profile of the tab. That and that. Check mark. And you can see over here we have our sheet metal box completely unfolded with tabs and hems. Sometimes we put the 45 degree on the hems Not sure how to do that yet with this. So that is part 2 of a basic sheet metal box.